Here we are outside Bluey, and we're going to talk about what colour Bluey will eventually be. Obviously, at the moment, it's sort of grey, blue,
faded,
uninteresting shade of blue, but that's why we called her Bluey.
Yeah.
There are different colours we could probably go for. As you can see by the palette behind us, quite a lot of sort of pastel, kind of cool colours. Definitely some striking shades. Let us know what your thoughts are, Mariah.
Okay, so it's quite controversial. I'm not entirely sure I want to go for blue. So there's a couple of options. I really like the warm terracotta paint. That would look really cool. Also a darker shade of blue, a darker shade of green. Also, there's a boat nearby that we drive past almost every day that has a very 60s light green.
Yeah, it's a lovely shade.
And it looks so good. And it's a color that is light and exciting and sort of cheery and vivid. And I'm quite drawn to that as well.
Yeah. What are you thinking about the hull? Do you think the hull should be fairly monochrome affair, or do you think maybe going something a little bit left field with the hull? Because a lot of ships, they just have black hulls, which is smart, of course.
It is smart.
But we could
I'm
go
not
for like
entirely sure yet, but I think a lighter color would be maybe a mistake.
Yeah.
If we would go for
dirt, would show up a lot easier on.
Yeah, we could go for like a super dark shade of blue or a super dark shade of green to match the paint on top.
We could, of course, put in a stripe using the natural curves of the Bluey hull that matches the superstructure above. That's definitely an option that we could go for. Could be cool.
Yeah, undecided yet, but it'll definitely be one of these colors.
Very cool. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.